Once upon a time, a professor went to a Zen master. He asked him to explain the meaning of Zen. The master quietly poured a cup of tea. The cup was full, but he continued to pour. The professor could not stand this any longer. So he questioned the master impatiently, "Why do you keep pouring when the cup is full?" "I want to point out to you," the master said, "that you are similarly attempting to understand Zen. While your mind is full, first empty your mind of preconception before you attempt to understand Zen. If your mind is empty, it is always ready for anything. It is open to everything. In the beginning mind, there are many possibilities. In the expert mind, there are few you see in life. In your life, we all are full of preconception all the time. We are constantly judging and trying to relate things. Action disaster to one another, our mind must be empty. We should not have any preconception and we should take every event, every word, every feeling. As that it is keep an empty mind and your heart will be always full.